am here with my very fat hamster Blizzard. He just pooped in my hand. So this is, and he pooped again. This is my hamster Blizzard's cage. So Carefresh actually partnered with Darian Duncan. It's an Instagram account. And what is Rosie looking at? What do you see? What are you looking at? So they actually partnered to do a giveaway, and I won that giveaway. So I got a free bag of Carefresh of any color and any size. So that was so awesome. Do you oh, that tickles so badly. That like tickles and hurts because his nails are sharp, but it's like super tiny, so it like tickles and hurts at the same time. What are you ah! That is the weirdest feeling. Ugh, I don't like that. Oh my gosh, is your little, oh my gosh! What happened? Is your hand stuck? I was editing and I realized I totally forgot to finish the intro, but we're going to be cleaning his cage. That's really all I needed to say, so let's go and do that. Okay, so I'm done with Blizzard's cage. This really lovely blue Carefresh. This is honestly one of my favorite colors for bedding. This is what I call my Bendy Bridge Village. And I don't really like how I set this up, but whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to go and follow Derry and Duncan and Carefresh and me on Instagram, and love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!